Every single AI creator on a platform is lying to you. They're showing you tools, prompts, workflows, new skills that have been proven to do absolutely nothing. Because not a single one of them is making real money with AI. They're making money talking about AI and relying on you to fear being left behind, falling for their trap. And nobody is calling this out, so here I am. Let me tell you what AI content looks like right now. Here's my 47 tool stack. Or here's my custom clause skill that saves me 3 hours a week. Here's how I automated my to-do list with 6 different AI agents. Cool. But how much money did that make you? Nothing. The entire AI content space right now is obsessed with the inputs, the tools, the setup, the workflow, the prompt, the integration. Nobody is talking about the outputs, the revenue, the products, the actual businesses built with AI that generate real income. And the reason nobody is talking about the outputs is because nobody has any. And here's what nobody is going to actually tell you. Setting up a new AI tool gives you the exact same dopamine hit as scrolling Instagram. You feel productive. You feel like you're building something. You open a new dashboard, you connect a new API, you watch it do something cool, and your brain goes, yes, we're winning. No, you're not winning. You're procrastinating. You're addicted to the feeling of building the machine instead of using the machine to build something real. It's shiny object syndrome dressed up as innovation. And these AI content creators are feasting on your attention, your money, and your monkey see, monkey do brain. And every creator in your feed right now is feeding that addiction. A new tool just dropped. Oh, this changes everything. You need this in your tech stack. No, you don't. You need revenue. In the last 6 months, how much money has, AI made you? Not saved you, made you. New revenue that exists because of AI. And I don't mean your course about AI. I don't mean your newsletter about AI tools. I mean, has AI built you a product, a service, a system independently generating you income? And if the answer is no, you've been consuming, not creating. And every week you spend optimizing your setup instead of shipping something is a week you're falling behind the people who are building businesses. So let me show you what it actually looks like when you use AI to make money instead of content. I'm 22 and I don't know how to code. I didn't go to university and got some computer science degree and I can't read Python. I don't even know what React Native even means. And in the last 12 months, I've built a multiple 7-figure tech company and I'm currently documenting the process of building the next one live entirely with AI. This is one of my SaaS platforms used by over 60 different med spas across the UK. And you can see the average revenue that each one of those med spas generates using our tech tool. It's a custom branded mobile app that local businesses can resell to their clients as fully white labeled. They can launch memberships, rewards, and even sell products on there. And I didn't even write a single line of code. And yesterday, I literally made a WhatsApp AI agent that manages those 60 clients. It responds to questions, escalates issues, and tracks client ROI and health. And I built that in a day by sending voice notes. And this here is one of my newer projects. It's a hypnotherapy app, but without all of the bullshit. It's built for entrepreneurs, a hyper-specific 5-pillar subconscious reprogramming platform with 5 individual AI agents inside, all focused on one thing: rewiring your brain towards success. And it's a full mobile app on the App Store right now. And I've never opened Xcode in my life nor hired a developer. I am not lying to you. This was built entirely with AI. And this is how I do it. I talk to my AI agent. It builds things, I review them, it gets done. There's no tutorials, there's no prompt libraries, there's no 47 tool tech stack. Voice notes, the gym, and business. There are 2 types of people in the AI space right now. Type 1 is monetizing your fear. They profit off the panic that you're being left behind. Every video, every thread, every course, it's designed to trigger that part of your brain. You need this tool or you'll be irrelevant. This new AI model changes everything. And if you're not using this workflow, you're already behind. Because they're not building anything. They're selling you the anxiety of not building anything. And every time you click, every time you buy, every time you add another tool to your tech stack, they make money. And you're exactly left where you started. Except now you've got 14 subscriptions and some Notion board that makes you feel productive. Now, type 2 doesn't care about the tools. Type 2 is focused on the one thing adding real value to a market, building a real business, solving a real problem, and using AI as the thing that removes the barrier that would have stopped them 2 years ago. You've got no time, AI. No technical skills, AI. No team, AI. Type 2 doesn't post about their tech stack. They're too busy creating real businesses, and I am type 2. And the reason why I'm making this video is because nobody, and I mean nobody, is creating content for those type 2 people. The entire AI creator space is type 1 people teaching other type 1 people how to be better type 1 people. It's a closed loop of input obsession, and it produces nothing. And here's what I figured out that most people this far haven't. There's only so far you can take AI as a productivity tool. You can't just invest less time if something already takes you no time. You can't remove more skill requirements if something already requires no skill. At some point, you hit a ceiling with inputs. And when you hit that ceiling, the only thing left to do is point that AI at something that makes you money. That's the shift. Building a product, launch a service, create a system that generates revenue whilst you sleep. That's the game. And it's always been the game. AI just made it more accessible to people like me who aren't developers. People exactly the same as you and me. So if you're tired of watching people play with AI and you want to see someone actually build something real with it, who is currently running multiple 7-figure offers entirely powered by AI, then subscribe.